How Google earns money, Google's businesses. Hey there. Google primarily earns its money through its advertising business. Google's main source of revenue comes from ads displayed on its search engine, websites, apps, and other platforms. When users click on these ads, Google gets paid by advertisers. Additionally, Google offers various services like Google Cloud, Google Workspace, and hardware products like Pixel phones and Nest devices, which also contribute to its revenue. Google's diverse business portfolio helps it generate significant income. Google is one of the most powerful and successful firms in the world. Although advertising remains its main source of income, it has expanded over the years into a number of other industries, such as cloud computing, hardware, and the creation of cutting-edge technologies like driverless cars and artificial intelligence. The great bulk of Google's revenue comes from its advertising sector, which is the foundation of its financial success. Google's search engine, which processes more than 90% of all searches worldwide, is the foundation of its advertising business. Google displays adverts beside organic search results when consumers conduct queries. Based on the search terms entered, these advertisements are extremely targeted and frequently feature goods or services that the visitor is probably interested in. Due to Google's pay-per-click business model, marketers only get charged when a user clicks on their advertisement. Google's ad targeting is so precise and effective that it has become a vital tool for businesses all over the world, generating a significant amount of cash. Google makes money from display advertising in addition to search ads through its vast ad network, Google Display Network (GDN). Through this network, which connects millions of websites and apps, advertisers may access a large online audience. Google gets a cut of the money generated by the placement of banner, video, and interactive adverts on other websites thanks to GDN. Another Google property and the biggest video-sharing website in the world, YouTube, is heavily featured in this section. Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Microsoft Azure are two other computer behemoths that Google Cloud competes with. While it presently trails these competitors in market share, it is expanding quickly. Google is making significant investments in growing its cloud infrastructure and creating new services, establishing Google Cloud as a crucial area of business expansion. The hardware section of Google is a significant component of the company's operations. Google creates and markets a range of consumer electronics such as laptops, Chromebooks, smart home appliances, Nest, and smartphones, Pixel series. Despite making up a lesser share of Google's total revenue than cloud services and advertising, hardware sales are nevertheless strategically significant. As was already mentioned, YouTube is a sizable company in itself in addition to being a platform for advertisements. Thanks to its subscription services, which include YouTube TV and YouTube Premium, it has grown into a significant cash generator. For a monthly charge, YouTube TV is a live TV streaming service that gives users access to a variety of television channels, while YouTube Premium offers an ad-free experience and access to exclusive content. In addition to diversifying Google's revenue streams outside advertising, these subscription services give the company a reliable source of recurring money. Additionally, Google has dabbled in a number of additional areas that demonstrate its goal to impact a wide range of sectors. The company's entry into the autonomous vehicle business through Waymo, an Alphabet affiliate, is one noteworthy example. The goal of Waymo's self-driving technology development is to transform transportation. Waymo has a huge potential to upend the ride-hailing and automobile sectors, despite the fact that it is still in the development and early deployment phases. Waymo has the potential to generate significant income in the future by operating its own autonomous taxi service or licensing its technology to automakers. Google's investment in biosciences through its subsidiary Verily is another exciting endeavor. Verily is committed to enhancing healthcare outcomes via the use of technology and data. The company works on a variety of topics, such as developing surgical robots and using wearable technology to identify diseases. Although these projects are still in the research and development stage, they demonstrate Google's approach of using its technological know-how to break into and maybe take over new markets. As the main means of distributing Android apps, Google Play, its App Store, further demonstrates the company's hegemony in the online market. Google receives a substantial income from in-app purchases, app sales, and Google Play subscriptions. A portion of the profits made by developers that offer in-app purchases or sell programs on Google Play must be split with Google. With Android being the most used operating system globally, this revenue stream is especially significant as mobile usage continues to rise globally. Google has entered the digital payment space with services like Google Pay, which enables customers to use their mobile devices to make payments online, in-app, and in physical places. Google Pay is a component of Google's aim to build an environment where customers rely on its services for a variety of daily activities, strengthening customer loyalty and obtaining important data, even though it isn't yet a significant source of revenue. In addition, Google makes calculated investments and acquisitions to keep up its competitive advantage and enter new areas. The business has purchased many existing and new businesses throughout the years in a variety of industries. Through these acquisitions, Google is able to integrate cutting-edge technology and skilled personnel into its operations in addition to eliminating possible competitors. For instance, Google's 2021 acquisition of Fitbit increased the company's footprint in the fitness and health space and gave it access to a plethora of user health data, as well as a footing in the wearable technology market. In addition to its direct commercial endeavors, Google gains from its patent and intellectual property holdings. Through licensing deals with other businesses looking to incorporate Google technology into their own goods and services, these assets bring in money. Google's long-term business strategy heavily relies on its intellectual property portfolio, which helps the corporation safeguard its discoveries and keep a competitive edge. And finally, a key component of Google's business strategy is its dedication to research and development (R&D). To stay on the cutting edge of technical innovation, the organization makes significant investments in R&D, from the development of the Android operating system to breakthroughs in quantum computing. This investment has produced a number of innovative goods and services. By consistently pushing the envelope of what is feasible, Google makes sure it stays at the forefront of the tech sector and is able to leverage innovation to drive future revenue development. In conclusion, Google's business strategy is complex and intricately entwined with many facets of the digital economy. The company's major source of income is still advertising, but it has successfully expanded into a number of other industries, including cloud computing, hardware, artificial intelligence, driverless cars, and health sciences. In addition to reducing risk, this diversity sets Google up for long-term success. Google stays among the most powerful firms in the world by using its massive resources and technological know-how to increase its influence across industries. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.